Jim Rohn, one of the coaches I deeply admire, said, "Success leaves clues." I completely agree. But through my own life, I discovered another powerful truth. Failure leaves, failures also leaves clues. And sometimes our failures teach us more about ourselves than our success ever could. Hello, I am Raghav Reddy. For more than 25 years, I worked as a teacher, junior lecturer, and principal. Throughout my career, I experienced success, but I also experienced setbacks, disappointments, missed opportunities, and repeated failures. And for a long time, one question kept coming back to me. I know I have more potential within me. So, why I am not producing the results I know I am capable of? Maybe you have asked yourself a similar question. You may be intelligent, you may be hardworking, you may have attended programs, read books, set goals, made plans, and yet something keeps pulling you back. You procrastinate on important decisions. You doubt yourself at the wrong moment. You know what to do, but somehow you do not consistently do it. You start with enthusiasm and slowly return to the same old pattern. This is where my study of psychology, human behavior, neuroscience, and personal transformation led me to an important insight. Your problem may not always be a lack of knowledge. Sometimes the real challenge is the internal pattern influencing how you think, how you feel, how you decide and act. Your beliefs influence your expectations. Your expectations influence your decisions. Your decisions influence your actions. And repeated actions eventually become your results. So, when the same unwanted results keep appearing, instead of only asking, "What should I do differently?" we may need to ask a deeper question. What pattern within me keeps creating this result? That question changed the direction of my life. And today, it is at the heart of the work I do. That is why I created the free Human Potential Masterclass for entrepreneurs, business owners, professionals, and coaches who believe they are capable of more but feel something is preventing them from expressing their full potential. During this masterclass, I will help you recognize some of the hidden patterns that may be keeping you stuck. You will discover why limiting beliefs, internal conflicts, emotional patterns, energy, and habitual responses can influence your external results. And almost importantly, I will introduce you to a practical framework for beginning meaningful change from the inside out. But I want to tell you something before you register. This masterclass is not for everyone. It is for people who are ready. Think about a television. If the television is switched off, you can press the remote control again and again, but nothing happens. The signal may be there, the information may be there, but the system is not ready to receive it. Your readiness matters too. No coach can change your life for you. No webinar can do the work for you. But when your mind is open, when you are willing to question old assumptions, and when you are ready to take responsibility for creating a different future, change becomes possible. So ask yourself, One simple question: am I ready to discover what may really be holding me back? If your answer is yes, I personally invite you to join me for the free Human Potential Masterclass. Click the link, click the button below, reserve your seat. Come with an open mind, a notebook, and a willingness to look at yourself differently, because your next breakthrough may not come from working harder. It may begin by discovering the pattern that has been holding you back. I am Raghav, and I look forward to meeting you inside the Human Potential Masterclass. Master your mind, create your future, live your potential. Join the free Human Potential Masterclass